you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are unboxing the Glow Addict beauty box and skincare boxes for March 2020. If you guys saw my February unboxing, you know that they were supposed to replace my skincare box for an oil, so stay tuned to see if they actually followed through. My Glow Addict playlist will be linked to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. I have never seen Glow Addict packaging in a mailer like this before. Usually it all comes in this mint box. They actually included a card of the products that are inside. I have not seen that from Glow Addict before. It says, what's inside, total box value. We decided to change things up for Glow Addict. We can't wait to show you our new boxes in April. In the meantime, please allow us to use these cute mailers while our boxes are printing. Okay, I'm excited for that. The beauty box is $18.99. You also pay for shipping, and then the skincare box is $24.99. You also pay for shipping, and then they also have a beauty bag, which is $13.99, and you also pay shipping for that. Glow Addict usually has more indie brands, and I've seen the value of the boxes retail between $50 to $100 before. Let's see what this month has in store for us. It's all nice and a bubble wrap. So this is the Auckland Natural Warm Highlight Palette, and it retails for $10. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. Oh wow, this looks pretty. Okay, Auckland. We have 5 different highlighting shades, and the pans are pretty decent size. We gotta do swatches. It's a highlighting palette. I love a good beaming highlight. I hope that these don't disappoint. Oh, we have marshmallow, sassy grape, butterscotch, taffy, bronzed. All right, they look pretty on the fingers. Let's see how they swatch on the hand. And this is the highlighting palette swatched. You know, for a palette that retails for $10, it's $2 a shade. I can't be mad at these swatches. There's pigment all the way through. They're a little bit chunkier, but it's just a swatch. I'm sure it's gonna show up really nice on the cheekbones. We also have 2 brushes. This is by the brand Be Bella. Ooh, this is the Oval Shadow 111 brush. It's super soft, and I can't wait to pack on some eyeshadows on the lid with this. And it retails for $3.99. And then we have the Blender 119 brush, and it retails for $4.99. We love a good crease brush. I can't wait. I think this will actually work out really nice for my eye shape. I haven't used anything from Be Bella before, and these brushes just feel really nice. They're soft, they have some density to them. I just hope that they blend out shadow really nice. I'm glad that we got 2 brushes instead of 1, and I think that these 2 pair together really nice. We also have the Grace and Stella Single 24K Gold Under Eye Mask. This retails for $5. I believe I got one in my skincare box last month, and I still haven't used it yet. I really like ones that are super hydrating for underneath my eyes because it's the driest spot on my face. I do have some discoloration, some wrinkles, bags. Yeah, my under eyes are pretty sucky for someone my age, so I definitely love under eye masks. I think the Skin Iceland ones are going on sale during 21 Days of Beauty. I think that's the only item I'm really excited for that sale, and I definitely plan on picking them up. I definitely go through my share of eye masks. Hopefully these are good. I'm trying to be better of rotating in new skincare and giving you guys reviews how products work out. Stay tuned for a video down the line on what my thoughts were on these. Oh, did we get another palette? What? Okay, this is by the brand Steb, I think. Yep, Steb Party Away palette, and it retails for $19.99. So if you want to look at it, I spent $1 less than this, and the rest of the box was free. I love when that works out for subscription boxes. Ooh, this is an all shimmer palette. Oh, this is right up my alley with these shades. All right, let's swatch. They don't have names on the back, so we'll just swatch in 3s. First row. Third row. Third row. And this is what the entire palette looks like swatched. Some of these shimmers definitely swatch a little bit more on the matte side, like this orange and the black, but oh my gosh, these 2 shimmers, the purple and blue, are my favorite colors. I think I would have to pair this palette to be able to get the most use out of it, because I do need some mattes to create a look, even though I do love an all shimmer look, but for practicality, I would need a matte. I think I have some single ColourPop super shadows, so maybe I could pair this with those. Overall, I really liked how everything swatched. That third row is my favorite by far. And then we have one last product. Ooh, a gold serum. I guess gold must be a trend. I think Farsali started it, and now like a lot of other brands are coming out with their own gold products. I don't know. From a chemist perspective, it's hard for me to wrap my head around putting gold on your face and expecting some amazing results. But I mean, it could be a thing. Farsali has definitely capitalized on it with a setting spray and primer. And this is the Millennial Beauté 24 karat gold priming oil that retails for $58. So I'm assuming this is supposed to be similar to the Farsali one. These are chunkier flakes. Interesting curved dropper bottle. Oh, it is definitely very hydrating. I'm afraid for my oily skin folks out there because it is very heavy. It didn't absorb nearly as nice as my skincare oils like my Sunday Riley UFO or my Pharmacy Honey Grail, but this is really just sitting on top. It's super hydrating, but there's also that greasy residue. Of course, this is just on my hand without any makeup, but I wonder how dewy your face will be. Then you might need some blotting sheets. The beauty box was a huge hit, and the total value of this box is $101.97. Whether or not I get use out of this oil, I'm very happy with the eyeshadow palette, highlighting palette, and the brushes. I definitely think the $18 of this box was definitely worth it. All right, time for the beauty box. And as you can tell, there's no oil in here. But wait, I did take a sneak peek. I sent them a picture and said, hey, I was supposed to receive a replacement oil in this box. I don't see it. Would you be able to just send it out by itself instead of including it with April's box? Because in March, it was supposed to be included and it wasn't. And they responded saying, we will. And the next day I got tracking and I got the oil. Oh, I'm so excited. This is from the brand Pilly Annie. It's the Intense Hydrating Facial Oil, and it's 1.35 fluid ounces. Wow, look at this bougie packaging. I'm gonna put it on my other hand because I put oil on the other. Okay. This is what it looks like. It does feel super hydrating. It does feel a lot lighter than the 24 karat one. There's like a faint scent to it, but it's nothing too overbearing. I'm excited to implement this in my routine. This hand has been super dry and chapped from the wind as well as washing my hands. This oil feels really nice. It doesn't feel greasy. It feels nice and moisturized. I'm curious to see how this works out in my skincare routine. I am super happy that Glow Addict kept their promise on sending a replacement oil because not gonna lie, I was super upset when I first took a sneak peek of the box because it felt really light. I'm like, I think an oil is supposed to be in here, but it doesn't feel like it. I was ready to cancel right then and there, but I calmed down, talked to customer service, and they came through. I'm really happy to keep Glow Addict around. I have really been enjoying this box. It's been a lot of fun learning and testing out more indie brands. I think you get a really good value of the box for what you pay for. There's no card in the skincare box, sad, but we have the Lovebird Pina Colada Coconut Oil Mascara Melt. I actually got this in my Bijou beauty box last month, so I'm gonna set this aside for a giveaway to share with one of you guys. And is this a makeup eraser? This is from Lashy Box. I guess this is their version of a makeup eraser. I can never have too many of these. I am constantly washing my makeup eraser. I plan on purchasing another during the 21 Days of Beauty. In February's box, we got like little rounds specifically for just eye makeup, which I'm really excited to try. I think that will help me wipe away my eye makeup in between looks for filming. That way I don't have to keep reapplying my base makeup. Oh, we have a sheet mask. I have been loving sheet masks. I've been doing one every single day. My face has actually been loving it. I've noticed that my face is retaining moisture and staying hydrated throughout the entire day. This is by BioBell. This is the facial mask with sweet peach extract and hyaluronic acid. I really like hyaluronic acid for dry skin. This is supposed to leave your skin looking youthfully dewy and hydrated. Sweet peach extract helps tired looking skin appear clearer and brighter, while hyaluronic acid releases a flood of weightless moisture onto skin for a healthy, smooth, supple appearance. I like hyaluronic acid in a lot of my products, but hyaluronic acid products are a little trickier to apply. You don't want to apply it on your bare skin. You want to make sure that you have like a serum or moisturizer on before, some layer of hydration before going into it. Otherwise, you're not gonna get the full effect of hyaluronic acid. It's just a fun chemical reaction. I bet I could draw it out for you guys with some hexagons, watch the little carbons go. Probably be very boring, but it's very stressful if you're taking an organic chemistry test. We have by CBD Beauty a Coffee Babe facial mask. I do have one coffee mask from Lush. I did use it quite frequently during my month long of using Lush. Okay. It has a more conglomerate feeling than a liquid feeling. pretty thick for a mask. And it does smell like straight up coffee. I really enjoy products that have caffeine in them. It's supposed to help with brightening of the skin, and I do have a little bit of dullness. I could always use any brightening that I could get. And then the last product, looks like we have another product with gold flakes maybe. This is the Agua Rosita Loca Rose Water infused with coconut milk. I'm not really sure what this is for, but I'm assuming like a toner or a setting spray. You can definitely smell a little bit of the coconut. It does feel hydrating on the face. I'm gonna use it as a toner and we're gonna go from there. The skin box wasn't bad. I definitely am loving the products more in the beauty box this month, but I'm still happy with what I got. I think the coffee mask and the toner are gonna get the most use. As long as the Lashy Box's version of the makeup eraser really works well removing makeup, that will probably get a lot of use out of it too. I would love to know if you get the beauty box, skincare box, or the beauty bag. Were there any variations this month? I don't know. I can't remember. And how was your experience with these products? Do you guys plan on getting April's box? And I'm just back at peace with Glow Addict since they did come through replacing the oil. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.